very directly. Pollution. It is creating a huge destruction to our environment. When nature is destroyed, the winds get vicious and nature becomes hostile. Generally acknowledge that myself, DREEKSHITA, along with my friends, ANKITA and RAJREJESWARI, are here on behalf of Ssrvm Agartal to showcase our model, which is about conversion of garbage gas to power generation. And here we have taken important steps. At first, if we regard to this model, then we can see that the garbage effluents are being burned with the help of a burner at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. Also, the part of burning waste should be covered with a mold of clay so that it does not create a burning smell and it produces carbon dioxide and oxygen before going to the gas chamber. Here, it creates a cycle for the process of incineration, which is a waste treatment process that complete combustion occurs contained in the waste substance. The cycle will allow the water to generate. It will remove the exhaust dust which is blown from a fan fitted inside using centrifugal force generated by high smoke. It will produce steam instead of smoke inside the incinerator. The smoke that comes out is smokeless. Now from this part, the kinetic energy which is produced from the power of the fire gets converted into electrical energy. Tentatively, to talk about it, we can produce 85 megawatts in 24 hours. It can prevent a huge amount of greenhouse emission from entering the atmosphere. Here, we have created a connection through which the leftover residues will get collected and by the process of incineration, the metals will get picked up and we can use it to make the tiles of our home. This is the primary business model of many big companies and companies. But now, the question comes, how much garbage can be advanced in the process of volume? Well, 20,000 tons can be used inside the machine without any treatment. Imagine, 50% of the daily garbage is burned, and of which 3,000 is used to generate electricity, which is approximately 1 million tons in a year. Wow, it's a huge number. So, here we put that garbage